Nĩ mũtaratara wa gũthũrima na kũhingũra container ya kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kĩrĩa kĩrathiĩ na mbere guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Minista wa gĩthomo Julius Ogamba agĩthũrima mũtaratara ũyũ arĩ mwena wa DAGORETTI gũkũ Nairobi. Ogamba nĩ ahithũrĩtie atĩ andũ matanyihĩire ATANO nĩ marĩkĩtie guikio ngono kuma icigo itiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ thutha wa kwĩhithania na gwĩtua arutwo na kwambĩrĩria kũmekĩra kĩgeranio gĩko kĩrĩa oigĩte nĩ kĩa ũkĩgu mũno.
I continue to warn Kenyans, please allow the students, allow the learners to do their exams. For instance, there are situations in Nairobi and other parts of the country where 5 or so people were arrested impersonating as the students. When we've indicated very clearly that this year's examination scripts are individualized in the sense that there is an actual photo of the student on the script. So when you send somebody else to try and do the exam on behalf of the child, in fact, it is foolishness because it is automatic that they will not be the same people, so they'll be arrested. And once they are arrested, they'll be taken to court, but the damage is worse because the student now will not do that exam because they are not in school. You do that exam because you sent somebody else. So in effect, you are destroying the lives of these children.
Oigĩte thirikari ĩcemba gũtigĩrĩra wĩigĩrĩrĩki wa kĩgeranio nĩ wathingatwo akĩrutĩra mũkana andũ kĩũmbe arutani kana abithaa oro wothe ũkũnyitĩkana na ciĩko ici gũkorwo akĩng'ethererwo nake kĩwatho na gũthitangwo.
It is regrettable that a few individuals have attempted to engage in examination malpractice despite repeated warnings. The government has already taken firm action against those involved, and these measures should serve as a strong deterrent to anyone contemplating to undertake similar misconduct. We will not allow any attempt to sabotage the future of our children or the global reputation of our national certification system.
Oigĩte matigwĩtĩkĩra mũndũ oro wothe aingĩrĩre kana athũkie rũciũ rwa ciana iria irathoma. Akiuga kamĩtĩ ya mwanya nĩ ĩtũmĩtwo guothe bũrũri-inĩ kũnyabara kĩgeranio gĩkĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra nĩ gĩatabarĩra ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire, agĩtũgĩria makinya marĩa matacũkĩtio thengia ya tũmathĩna tũrĩa tũreyumĩria.
And I would urge parents, I would urge any teacher, I would urge any guardian who wants to engage in these activities to desist. Where criminal action will be taken against these individuals, whether it's a teacher or somebody from the ministry, we will be registering those teachers even after criminal process has been taken against them. The people who are involved from the education sector will never be allowed to work again in the education sector, and both their lives and the lives of the children that are destroyed will have been affected.
Ogamba oigĩte ministry yake nĩ ĩrarutania wĩra kwa hakuhĩ na ministry ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ hamwe na anyiti itemi othe kũgacĩrithia kĩgeranio gĩkĩ makĩria kũrĩa kũgũmĩirwo nĩ mathĩna ta ma ũkuui.
We are mindful that parts of the country continue to face severe weather challenges, including flooding, landslides, and impassable road networks. Together with the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, county governments, and disaster response agencies, we have activated alternative transportation routes, established temporary collection and distribution points, and deployed helicopters to ensure the secure and timely delivery of examination materials in the most adversely affected areas.
Arutwo ũmũthĩ moima na kĩgeranio gĩa chemistry rũcinĩ na gĩthũngũ mathaa-inĩ ma hwaĩ-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.
Somebody somewhere, some place to support you write your papers, then that's that.